Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by preparing essentials. Pick Node, JS or Python, and a simple DB like Redis. Once done, register a short domain and point DNS to your server. Make sure to initialize a repo, create an environment file, and install dependencies now. Then scaffold a minimal API endpoint that accepts a long URL and returns a short key. You need input validation and basic logging from the outset, so debugging is straightforward as you proceed. Next, implement the mapping logic. Generate a compact key using a hash trimmed to 68 chars plus a counter to avoid collisions. Once implemented, build post/shorten to save mappings and return the short URL, and get /key to look up and 301 redirect while incrementing counters. Make sure to add rate limiting and simple admin auth to prevent abuse. Also wire persistent storage and a background job to archive or remove expired. To finish, containerize the app and provision TLS so users trust your short links. Then deploy to a VPS or cloud service and configure health checks. Once deployed, test end-to-end. Create links, follow redirects, and review analytics to confirm counts and referrers. If something fails, check logs for 500s and DNS propagation. Make sure database connections, environment variables, and timeouts are correct. One key troubleshooting tip. If redirects return 404, verify key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.